Hello everyone. Let's learn new topic Pascal's law. What is Pascal's law? Pressure or intensity of pressure at a point in a static mass of fluid is equal in all directions. Let's consider water, a drop of water in the shape of triangle. Let us consider an arbitrary fluid element of weight angle ABC is equal to theta in a fluid mass as a rest with three planes around a point shows in a figure 2.3. Let Px is a Px, Py and Pz. Here Px, Py and Pz are the intensity of pressure acting on a face in different direction with a width of element perpendicular to the plane of paper is unity. dz is equal to 1. The system of force should be equilibrium. Now find out what are the forces acting on the elements are. First is the pressure forces normal to the surface, and second is the weight of the fluid element in vertical directions. Now what are the pressure forces? Pressure force on a face AB is equal to Px into area of face AB is equal to Px into Py into Pz. Pressure force face BC is equal to Pz into area of face BC. Pz is into dz into ds. Pressure force on face AC is equal to Py into area of face AC is equal to Py into dx into dz. Now, second is a weight of element. We can find out weight from the mass of the element into g. Now, what is the mass of element? Volume into rho density into g. Volume is a dy into dx into dy by 2 into dz into rho into g. Resolving the forces on x direction, epsilon of fx is equal to 0. Thus we have px into dy into dz minus pz into ds into dz sine 90 minus theta is equal to 0. Px into dy into 1 minus pz into ds into 1 cos theta is equal to 0. ds cos theta is equal to dy. We know that. So here we find out px is equal to pz. First equation is proven. Resolving those forces in y direction. First we resolved in f direction, now we have to resolve in y direction. Thus we have from the y direction dy into dx into dz minus pz ds into dz cos 90 minus theta minus also dx minus dy by 2 into dz into rho into g is equal to 0. So resolving this equation, we have find out dy into dz dx minus into 1 minus pz ds into 1 sin theta minus dx into dy by 2 into plus into 1 into rho into g is equal to 0. ds sin theta is equal to ds. So neglecting the weight of the very small element, we find out the py is equal to pz. From equation 1 and 2, we know that the px is equal to py into pz. The above equation shows that the intensity of pressure at a point in a static mass of fluid is equal in all directions.